Digital Marketing Mastermind aims to bring like-minded people together for an extremely cost-effective and simplified online learning experience. Typical masterminds cost upwards of $25,000 or more and require you to fly all over the world to attend these outstanding events. While we realize there will be a vast amount of knowledge shared, and certainly the masterminds we've attended have generated far more income than they cost, we also know that not everyone really has the time and financial position to be a part of such exclusive learning groups. Our Digital Marketing Mastermind is top-notch, and you gain access to a wealth of knowledge and special guests that you can access and do it all from your own home. Tips and methods are the key to learning how to be a top affiliate marketer in today's online marketing world. This will help you save a lot of money and time while you are building your home business. Become a member of our informative Digital Marketing Mastermind group and you will find that the information will truly shorten your business building learning curve and again save you money. Become a participant in our Digital Marketing Mastermind group today and build a very solid online home business with the right knowledge. Use the link below or this one in the video to become a Digital Marketing Mastermind participant. Visit us at www.blueskymarketingtips.com/whiteeding.